Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share two masculine birthday cards I made for some family members. I always struggle with these type of cards. I don't know why. And I need to find different ideas online, but this is what I came up with. These are 5x5 size cards. I used white cardstock for my base, and I don't think this is not 110 cardstock. This is probably the 65 from Michael's. I like layering because then it makes the card sturdier. I layered some craft cardstock. I inked the edges on all the sheets of paper. The paper that I used is from Hobby Lobby. It's the Newsworthy paper pad. It's a really thick paper pad, but the paper is very thin. Inked the edges. I added some stickers, letter stickers, that I used in my tag before this. I'm trying to use it up. And I backed it with some cardstock, and I used my Stampin' Up! Punch. I added these arrows. It's from another EK Success punch that I've had in my stash. Yeah, and that's it. I wanted to keep, I didn't want to put too much on the card because I love the paper, and you know, if you put too much stuff on this type of card, you kind of lose the, you know, the pattern paper. And then inside, I just backed it with more paper, cut out a smaller craft cardstock, more pattern paper, and another arrow. Very simple. I don't know why I always struggle with these cards. Okay, so the second masculine card is this one. And again, 5x5 cardstock. I layered the pattern paper with black cardstock. I believe this is 110 cardstock, because I can tell by the feel of it. And then I backed it with this paper. This is an AliExpress Happy Birthday die that I used with cardstock. This is a button from my stash and some jute twine, black jute twine. And what I did here is I offset the this layer here, this 2 layers of paper, offset it, and I trimmed the edges. So I really like how this one came out. And this paper is really cool. It's like newsprint and polka dots. Let me show you if I can see it. So, and it's even distressed, so I didn't really have to distress it too much. And then this is in a different language, I think. It's like, must be a newsprint as well, but it's in a darker print. So I really like how that one turned out. And then inside I just layered pattern paper and black cardstock to the inside. And that's it. These are my 2 masculine cards for birthdays. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, leave the questions down below. And yeah, thanks for everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.